want to show you guys how I go from these brows to these brows.
I've laminated my brows. Scroll down to watch the tutorial.
That's what we want, okay? This is the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass. Just a teeny tiny bit. So after we have mattified and set our brows, this should go on really wispy-like and not smudge. So I kind of like to start where there's like inconsistencies. Here we're going to place hair-like strokes going back in the same way that you snatched them. You see that? And instead of tripping on these scragglers up here, let's just exaggerate them. Just giving bush. Girl, get into it. We are going to conceal a little bit because we have some little sparse hairs there. And this is one of those concealers that will literally cover up those hairs.
Use a flat brush to carve in your line.
Now let's blend it out.
I use Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. Link in bio for my Amazon.